Sushmita Sengupta, updated, June 23, 2018 11:04 IST. Red, juicy and plump with nutrients, tomatoes are an integral part of a quintessential Indian spread. The classic tangy punch of tomatoes is clearly irreplaceable, which is why each time there is a surge in prices of tomatoes, all hell breaks loose in India. Tomatoes are that basic and that essential to us. Not just home, if you look across, Spanish, Italian, Mexican cuisines are all dominated by the red and juicy wonder. Apart from its distinct flavor, tomatoes are also such a rage, especially amongst nutritionists and dietitians, courtesy its dense nutrient value. It is one of the richest sources of vitamin C and beta-carotene, all of them support heart health. They are also abundantly loaded with lycopene, which has been found to reduce risk of high cholesterol, protect eyes and skin, and boost immunity and heart health. Vitamin K, B1, B2, B3, B5 and B6 and minerals such as potassium, manganese and iron further make tomatoes a popular superfood. In fact, the rich content of potassium, 267 mg in 100 grams, in tomatoes makes it an ideal pick for high blood pressure patients. One of the most significant benefits of adding tomatoes in your diet is its ability to burn fat. Also read how to make and store tomato puree this winter. Pro tips and tricks. Tomatoes are an integral part of a quintessential Indian spread. Tomatoes are relatively low in calories and carbohydrates and have high water content, which makes it an ideal pick for those looking for something filling, which would not topple their calorie requirement for the day. Here's why tomatoes make for an ideal addition to your weight loss diet. 1. Low calories. You would be surprised to know that 100 grams of tomatoes contain just about 18 calories, which makes it a perfect bet for those on a calorie-restricted weight loss diet. 2. Revs up metabolism. Tomatoes are plump with antioxidants, one of the most significant being lycopene. According to experts, lycopene may rev up metabolism naturally. 3. Curbs cravings. Tomatoes are high in fiber. Fiber takes the longest to digest and induce the feeling of fullness. If you are satiated for long, naturally you would crave less and binge less. 4. Good for digestion. Fiber is extremely important for good digestion. It adds bulk to your stool, which facilitates your bowel movement, further preventing constipation and boosting digestion. Bad digestion is closely tied to weight gain. If you do not have a good digestive system, your ability to absorb and assimilate nutrients is hindered. Moreover, you would face difficulty in eliminating waste and toxins from your body. This can impact your metabolism and slow it down. 5. Fat-burning properties. Tomatoes encourage the production of the amino acid called carnitine, which is an organic molecule that plays an important role in the regulation of fatty acid and energy metabolism. This amino acid is reported to enhance the body's fat-burning ability. Also read -10 best tomato recipes. Tomatoes are relatively low in calories and carbohydrates and have high water content. How to eat tomatoes for weight loss, recipes and ideas. You can have them in salads. Toss them up with other veggies like olives and basil leaves. Here's a delicious recipe of tomato olive salad by Chef Ajay Chopra that you may enjoy. Tomato juice makes for an excellent belly fat burning juice. 2. You can add other fruits or veggies and herbs to make it more palatable and filling. Blend 2 cups water, tomato paste, lemon juice, and salt together in a blender or food processor until you get smooth consistency. Stir 2 to 3 cups water into mixture. If you find the juice to be too thick, tomato juice makes for an excellent belly fat burning juice. You can have them in soothing broths and soups. For those scouting for a perfect recipe, look no further. Here's a heart carrot and tomato soup for days you wish to go light. Sneak them in your sides. Have grilled fish or chicken with grilled tomato, beans with a drizzle of olive oil. You can chop them up and add them to your sprouts. For healthy breakfast, you can whip up a quick vegetable omelet with tomatoes or a quick tomato and cucumber sandwich. For healthy breakfast, you can whip up a quick tomato and cucumber sandwich. So, what are you waiting for? Time to enjoy the juicy and healthy treats. But, make sure you do not overdo it. Check for allergies and portion sizes before you start loading up on them.